Hello YouTube, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I wanted to come on here to show you a t-shirt that I'm about to put my business name on. As you can see, it's a Gildan t-shirt, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the tag here. Get this okay, and I already have my shirt positioned here on the heat press to where I'm going to put my business name, and I have it. I'm going to put my name about right. I'm going to center it about maybe about right there. Okay, so I'm going to put it about right here, and I have Elaborate Designs by, and I'm going to put Ieasha below it. So let me go ahead and heat press this on. I'm going to use my Teflon sheet. And I'm going to cover my my business name up. And as you can see, I have my heat press on 320 and it's on 5 seconds. So I'm going to press it down, turn it on. And stop it. Okay, now I'm going to look at it and see if it's on here. And as you can see, it is adhered to the shirt. So I'm going to heat press it again. So I'm going to put my Teflon sheet over my my name. I'm going to press it down for 5 seconds again. Okay, and there it is, Elaborate Designs by. And now I'm going to put, okay, so as you can see, I put my name Ieasha right here, and I did it in pink. So I'm going to go ahead and heat press this on, using my Teflon sheet to cover up my shirt and my vinyl, and let it go for 5 seconds. Okay, so we take it up and we peel this off to make sure it is there, and yes it is, it's on there. And we're going to put this Teflon sheet over it again and just heat press it for a little while. I'm not going to do the whole 5 seconds, so I'll probably do like maybe like 3 seconds. Okay, and that's that. And this is my business shirt. As you can see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.